Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to taste. Now, tasting is extremely important, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe it is one of the 5 or 6 senses out there that everyone has. Everyone has the senses, so it's quite important to learn how to do it. This one is taste. We're covering taste this time, so we'll get you tasting soon. How to taste. Nom 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 nom. So what is tasting? What's it all about? What does it do? What is it for? Well, tasting is like when you consume food and it gives you a feeling of like goodness. It's tasty. That's probably the best definition. It's tasty. It's tasteful. Like, it tastes good. So in order to begin the tasting procedure, we'll need some tasting food, and it just so happens that I've managed to prepare myself a cheese plate. As you can see here, I've selected the finest of all the cheeses and put them onto one plate. So we are now ready to find the best body parts in order to taste the cheese. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that the cheese quality here is absolutely exceptional, as you can see. It's very good cheese. So I do want to find the best areas that will be able to taste it, so we can begin now. So how am I going to be able to taste this cheese, I wonder? Let's try the elbow, that could be a good start. So just put the cheese on the elbow, see if we can taste it. No, I can't taste the cheese. I can feel the cheese. I can feel it on the elbow, but I just can't taste it. Just don't know what it tastes like. No, we'll have to try something else. I just can't taste anything. It's really irritating. Now the next place that we can try is the legs. As I've heard that some insects use the legs to taste, so I've been told. Don't ask where. I can't remember who told me that, but I'm sure I heard that somewhere. So we'll see if the legs can work as a good tasting area. So just get the leg like this, and then just put the cheese. You have to make sure that the cheese stays on your leg, otherwise there's no chance of tasting it. So we'll have to try that again. Just see. No, I'm not tasting it. There's no taste to be had. I'm missing out on the cheese. No, it's the same as the elbow issue. I can feel it, I can just feel it, but I can't taste it, and tasting is the most important aspect. It's just not happening at the moment. No, I'll have to try something else, it's just not working. If you've tried the elbow and the leg so far and it's not working, don't panic. There's plenty of other places that you can try. So we'll go straight on to the hair next. I think the hair is the next logical place to go. So we'll try and taste it on our hair. Put it on. No, I can't taste it on my hair as well. I can't even feel it. This is even worse than the elbow and the leg. I can't, at least I could feel it with them, but just can't feel it on my hair. This is a real disappointment. I'll have to try something else. Where else could I try, I wonder? Or maybe the face. The face, that seems like somewhere where you're likely to taste food. So we'll give that a go, see if that works. No, not there. Nope, definitely not there. No. No, it's just not working. Oh, I surely thought that would be a good solution, but no. I can smell the cheese. It smells very pungent. But I just can't taste it. Just not sure where I'm going wrong. This is probably the dilemma that you're all having as well with your cheese, or whatever food you're trying to taste. 1 hour later. So I've had to go away and do some research. I've tried everywhere and just nowhere was working. And apparently you need to actually put the food in your mouth, because that's probably the best place to taste. So I'm going to see if that works. I really do hope it works. If it doesn't work, just won't be able to taste, and you won't be able to taste. So it's disappointing for everyone around, but we'll see if it works. So got the cheese, just see if it works. No. I can taste it now. It's in the mouth. That's where you taste. Taste in the mouth. I can breathe a big sigh of relief now. Thank goodness that worked. I was beginning to lose hope. So I really hope that this tutorial has helped you to taste, because tasting is really tasty. It's good. There we go. Now I'm going to go now and see if there is any other food that I can taste, because tasting seems like quite a good hobby and one that I really want to get into. So I'll catch you later. Just need to find some more food. Oh, there's some here. Oh, some more cheese. What are the chances? So one thing that I forgot to mention earlier in this tutorial is that you can taste a wide variety of foods. You don't just need to taste this square cheese, for example. There's loads of other things that you can taste. So got some triangle cheese as well. So we'll try some triangle cheese. That tastes really good as well. My goodness. That's very good. Oh. So you can just try other things like this. You don't just have to go the same thing over and over again. That could be boring. You need to expand your taste buds, get them working properly. So I'm going to finish this triangle cheese, and I might move on to some other kind of food another time. So, see you.